Fagan Painting, we are dedicated to house painting in Pittsburgh. We transformed your home into a space that reflects your style and personality through our professional house painting services. With years of experience and a team of skilled painters, we take pride in delivering high-quality results that exceed your expectations. Our commitment. At Fagan Painting, we are dedicated to enhancing the beauty and value of your property. Whether you need interior touch-ups or a complete exterior makeover, we bring your vision to life. Professional team. Our team comprises skilled and passionate painters with extensive expertise. They possess in-depth knowledge of painting techniques, color palettes, and industry trends. We stay updated with the latest paint products and equipment to ensure flawless, long-lasting results for your home. Personalized approach. We believe that every homeowner has unique preferences and requirements. That's why we take a personalized approach to understand your needs and design a painting plan tailored to your specific goals. Our team works closely with you throughout the process, offering expert advice and guidance to help you make informed decisions about colors, finishes, and other details. Quality materials. At Fagan Painting, we use top-quality materials from reputable suppliers to ensure a stunning and durable finish. We prioritize eco-friendly, low VOC paints for a healthier environment. Your satisfaction and well-being are our top priorities. Service offerings. Fagan Painting offers exceptional house painting services in Pittsburgh. Our skilled team and years of experience ensure that we exceed your expectations. With a range of services including interior and exterior painting, color consultation, cabinet refinishing, and deck staining, we have all your painting needs covered. Contact us today for a free consultation and let Fagan Painting bring your home to life with our exceptional services.